Hi, I'm Carlos with Brooklyn Motor Works. I'm a third-generation mechanic, and today I'm going to help you install a tow hitch on a 2010 Ford F-150. If you can't find it on eBay Motors, it does not belong on a car. You have the options to really get creative and really express yourself. eBay Motors allows you to make your car yours. So, this is going to be an easy install. All we have to do is remove the existing bumper, and the new tow hitch is going to button up right into place. We're using a lift just so that you can get a better idea of how the assembly comes together, but this is something that you can easily put on a couple of jack stands and back those bolts off by hand. You want to make sure that when you're dropping this bumper, you don't just let it drop, because you have all the sensors attached. I've got the bumper of the sawhorses right now, and I'm fitting the tow rig to the bumper itself. So we're gonna shimmy it from side to side until the holes start to line up one by one. Just be patient, put the bolts in one at a time. Don't tighten them down just yet. Wait till everything's in place, square it up, and then we can torque everything to spec. Now that we're ready to remount the bumper, before we do that, we wanna remount all the trailer connectors and vehicle sensors onto the bumper securely. Once we level out the bumper, we can cinch up the bolts and get them nice and tight. Tow hitch is a really great way to haul some of your favorite toys. Boats, cars, trailers. It's a really resourceful tool to have on your truck.